Hello and welcome to the channel. On this episode of the Kia Forte Video Maintenance and Repair Manual, I'll show you how to change the lamps in the trunk tail light assembly on the 2011 through 2016 Kia Forte. To access the trunk's tail light assembly, the trunk's inner trim must be removed. It is mounted to the deck lid by 13 push-pin fasteners. This particular push-pin fastener is compatible with the number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Twist the screwdriver to the left to loosen the fasteners. Once all 13 fasteners are removed, pull the trim away from the deck lid to reveal the trunk's tail light assembly. The trunk tail light assembly has 3 different functions: the running light, the backup light, and the brake light functions. The 3 functions are achieved using only 2 bulbs or lamps. Twist the lamp socket to the left or counterclockwise to unlock it. Push and twist the brake lamp counterclockwise to unlock it from the socket. Push inwards and twist clockwise to lock it. Gently pull out the backup lamp to remove it from its socket. The replacement backup lamps are Sylvania 921. The brake and running lamps are Sylvania number 2357. Handle the lamps with a paper towel or gloves. The natural oils from your hands could reduce the lifespan of the lamps. The lamps have 2 small protrusions on the opposite sides. These protrusions correspond with the depressions in the socket. Insert the lamp into the socket. Rotate the lamp clockwise to lock it into the socket. The backup lamp plugs into the socket like so. There are 3 different size shapes cut into the socket. These shapes correspond with the identical size shapes in the lens assembly. Insert the lamp socket into the lens assembly. Twist clockwise to lock. Replace the deck lid's trim. Insert all 13 push-pin fasteners to complete this project. Project complete. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.